Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lacey and this is my art channel. Today's video is another Create This Book 3 video. If you haven't seen my other Create This Book 3 video, I'll link it in the description. I only have one so far, but I do have another playlist of Create This Book 1 videos, and I'll put the whole playlist in the iCards above if you want to check it out. So in the first episode of my Create This Book series, I designed the front cover and also the inside cover. In this video, I wanted to get through all the beginning parts of the book, but unfortunately that didn't happen. So before we get to the prompts of the book, we have a cover spread, a note before you get started, tips and tricks, and then you have the goals of the book and the beginning date. So that's 4 more spreads before we even get to the prompts. I did the first spread, and even though I was low on time, I decided to go ahead and do the next 2 spreads. That way in the third video, I could do the beginning date and the goals for the book and then just jump right into the prompts. I thought I could just push myself to get it all done, but I really just didn't have the time. I took too long on the filming and didn't have enough time to do all of the editing. It does take a long time to get through all of the editing, unfortunately. So I made the executive decision to just only show 1 spread in this video, and then the next video will be either like the next 2 spreads or 3 if I can fit it in. I'll have more time because I've already filmed it. I was disappointed that I couldn't get it all done, but I think in the end you have to give yourself grace. It's okay if you can't do everything, you can just do what you can. I've been doing weekly uploads for about a month now, and I really want to keep it up, so I think that this is just the best way to do that. So for this spread, I wanted to draw a person representing myself, and I thought it would be fun to draw myself holding like a giant pencil to represent the fact that I'm an artist and I'm going to be the one drawing all of the spreads. I stuck to my somewhat like pastel theme that I've been doing so far. Recently, I saw a picture of a beret for sale that looks kind of like a peach or some type of fruit, and I want that beret so bad. So I decided to draw myself wearing the beret and added cute little peaches all around to match. On the adjacent page, I added pastel coloring pencils to match the pencil that I'm holding, and then I added my name. I actually drew the girl on sticker paper. I got this idea from another YouTuber. Their name is Goobish Goops. They do Create This Book 3 videos on YouTube as well. I just thought this was a brilliant idea, as I often glue in other pages so my ink doesn't go through the page, but this saves time on that. I know this is somewhat of a short video, but I hope all of you enjoy it. If you have Create This Book 3, I would love to know how you decorated the spread, and I would love to know what all of you think of this drawing. I love chatting with all of you in the comments. If you made it this far, consider putting a peach emoji in the comments. I look forward to seeing all of you again next week for another video. I think it's going to be another trying new art supplies video, so I will see you then. Goodbye now.